My name is Doug Schulte, and I am Senior Product Manager for Select Machining Technologies, the Soraluce Machine Tools exclusive partner in the United States. Now let me present this amazing project for a leading aerospace transport company in the USA. This project consists of the development, delivery, and installation of a total of 9 automated multitasking milling and turning solutions to machine various rocket engine components. All of the machines will be installed at the aerospace company's plants in Alabama. The objective is to optimize and increase production capacity, reduce part handling, obtain greater accuracy in machining and overall part quality, as well as lowering production costs with improvements in tool life and reduced machining cycle times. They will be machining various rocket engine components. These are parts which are large cone or hourglass shaped components with diameters up to 2 meters or 78 inches and height of part of 2.2 meters or 86 inches. So now let's take a look at one of the 8 production machines, all of which are identical. The prototype machine is identical in every way except for the pallet changer, which accommodates 2 pallets instead of 4. The Soraluce FP Productivity Line traveling column milling machines are the brand's flagship product. One of the main advantages of this range is the traveling column architecture, which offers great versatility with multiple configurations available. In this case, we have a multitasking mill turntable adapted to a palletized system that we will be explaining shortly. This FP4000 has the following axis travels. Vertical travel of 3.2 meters or 126 inches, longitudinal travel of 4 meters or 157 inches, and cross ram travel of 1.6 meters or 63 inches. All Soraluce Floor Type horizontal machines, like this FP4000, start with a monoblock structure where the column and the cross slide are a single piece for maximum stability and rigidity. This type of architecture provides optimal performance against torsion and bending. Note that the machine has a high torque direct drive motor located within the ram with a built-in cooling system. This inline motor technology provides stable working conditions, guaranteeing great precision, power, and efficiency. This particular motor is 43 kilowatts, 57 horsepower, up to 7,000 RPM in both heads, 900 Newton meters of torque, or 663 foot-pounds of continuous torque. This milling and turning table is a 2-meter diameter, 78 inches, has a swing of 2.3 meters or 90 inches, has a 100 kilowatt drive motor, torque motor, 134 horsepower, maximum turning speed of 250 RPM, loading capacity while milling at 15,000 kilograms or 33,000 pounds, while turning 5,000 kilograms or 11,000 pounds, indexing accuracy of plus or minus 2.5 arc seconds, and as you can expect, the rotary table system is prepared for automatic pallet clamping. This high torque universal multitasking head is for both milling and turning operations. This is a stepless universal head with a vertical and diagonal joint with 0.001 degree indexing increments. This head allows the customer to approach different angles of the workpiece in just one setup, without the need of using any special tooling. This is a head in which we use standard tools. No adapters are needed between milling and turning operations. The loading and unloading of milling, turning, and also grinding tools, if needed, is automatic. This is a mechanical drive head incorporating a spindle locking system. This includes a coupling to lock the spindle at any angle during the turning operations, and this locking system prevents damage to the milling bearings thanks to an internal retractable support ring. The orientation of the head and spindle at any angle means we can position the spindle to avoid interference with the work part or optimize machining capacity. The automatic head changing system increases the machine's flexibility within its scope of application. This machine is equipped with an automatic head changing system and pickup station for 2 heads. Soraluce's fully modular head changing system through adapter flanges. The H117 head that's currently on the machine is an automatic universal contouring head, which also provides 1/1000th of a degree positioning in both the vertical and the diagonal joint, with a maximum spindle speed of 7,000 RPM and full 5-axis contouring capability. This head has the same geometry with the vertical and diagonal joints as the previous multitasking head, but this is a 5-axis continuous universal head with mechanical transmission designed to tackle complex machining applications that require high power and torque. Here we have the pallet changing system with 4 pallets located in front of the machine. This first station is the presetting station with motorized rotation in order to complete the workpiece setup and centering process. It is also a checking station with an identical pallet holder as the one in the machine for identical clamping forces, concentricity, flatness, and providing the same conditions for an accurate dimensional check. This pallet changing area will also include complete safety fencing and safety guarding when at the customer facility. In addition to the presetting station, we have 3 additional pallet ready stations. In the middle of the pallets in the machine, you have the pallet transfer carriage station, which loads and unloads the pallet from the presetting area to the parking area and then to the machine. Here we have the operator platform in the back of the machine. As you can see, it's very well lit. And here we have the latest Siemens C-Numeric 1 CNC. This is the second operator panel for the Siemens control. The first one is in the front of the machine next to the setup station. And in the Siemens C-Numeric 1 is customized Soraluce software written specifically for the Siemens CNC control. Here is the operator's handheld pendant. And as you can see, there's very good access to the work area. So if the customer needs to inspect a tool, or if he needs to go down and inspect the workpiece, he has very good access to the workpiece. The tool magazine on this machine is an M-type tool magazine, capable of handling 120 tools of HSK 100A taper. We also have the feature and the ability to maintain the tools while the machine is in operation. If the machine comes to a tool change while the operator has this open, an audible alarm will sound and the operator can close it and allow it to continue on that sequence. This solution includes a complete enclosure with automatic door opening and closing. The full enclosure is required due to the 1000 PSI high pressure coolant system, through spindle coolant and through spindle airflow. Finally, the enclosure includes 1 large front window and 1 large window next to a door on the left side of the enclosure for easy viewing and access to the work area.